Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing the MX Keys Mini Combo for business. Ignore the business part. There's no difference between the standard and the business. The reason why I got this is because it comes with it's a combo, and you don't really get a combo in the standard series. This is from Logitech, and both these items in here, this combo item, are Master Series, and they match colors, so that's why I wanted to get it. The mouse is MX Anywhere 3 and the keyboard is MX Keys Mini, and they both work on the Logic Bolt receiver as well as Bluetooth, compared to the previous one, which is the old receiver. It's called the unifying receiver, and some of them have Bluetooth and some don't. So this is like the latest model from them. Let's unbox this. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and if you want a full review, make sure you let me know in the comments below. And looking forward to using this. See you guys in the next video.